Hello everyone, I'm Hadi Subroto, the initiator of Krakatoa Exploration Team 1883. The Krakatoa Exploration Team 1883 is the team who making the research about Krakatoa eruption impact that was erupted in 1883. By this research, we have succeeded to discover the ship that buried by pyroclastic material in Kepayang Hill Slope. The location of Kepayang Hill Slope in South Lampung, Sumatra Island in Indonesia. The ship can sunk and buried by pyroclastic material in Kepayang Hill caused by pyroclastic flow and mega tsunami during the Krakatoa eruption in 1883. The ship, having 83 meters of length and having 17 meters of wide, and the ship buried by pyroclastic under the ground 40 to 65 meters deep underground in Kepayang Hill Slope. So, to more get description more detail about the discovery ship in Kepayang Hill, let's watching this video.
Sebuah kapal kuno teridentifikasi diduga tertimbun di Bukit Kepayang, Bakauheni, Lampung Selatan. Kapal kuno itu terdampar akibat tsunami yang timbul karena letusan Gunung Krakatau pada 1883 silam atau sekitar lebih dari 130 tahun yang lalu. Seorang peneliti asal Lampung yaitu Hadi Subroto mengaku sebagai penemu keberadaan kapal kuno tersebut. Temuan yang terjadi pada awal Februari 2014 ini terlihat jelas di sekitar Bukit Kepayang, Bakauheni, Lampung Selatan. Posisi kapal terlihat terguling menghadap ke timur dengan ukuran tinggi lambung dan dak masing-masing sekitar 15 meter. Bentuk dari temuan ini dinilai identik dengan ukuran lambung kapal. Foto satelit juga menemukan adanya kapal yang terdampar di puncak Bukit Kepayang dengan ketinggian 155 meter di atas permukaan air laut. Penelitian berlanjut dengan melakukan penggalian secara manual.
And after we trying to making vertical hole with manual digging at the 37 meter of deep in the bottom of hole, we get the evidence like this. Let's watching this video again. Sumur vertikal hingga diharapkan mampu mencapai dinding kapal. Inilah yang terjadi di kedalaman 37 meter sumur vertikal. Pada kedalaman 36 meter ini, suara gema terjadi pada sisi barat dasar lubang. Dan ini adalah yang terjadi di dasar sumur tetap 30 meter. Setelah lubang di dasar sumur vertikal sisi barat mendapat suara gema, maka digalilah lubang horizontal ke arah barat, dan di dasar sumur horizontal suara gema terdapat suara yang lebih besar dari sebelumnya. Maka kesimpulannya penggalian sudah tepat berada di atas badan kapal. In fact, after we trying to making vertical hole, and in the bottom of hole, we get there is sound so loudly when the worker trying to smash the bottom of hole. This is proving that we get the position exactly on top of the body of ship. So, to making people all around the world can believe and the truth about the truth ship in Kepayang Hill, we will try to drilling the steel plate of body ship. And after steel plate can be drilled, we will input video camera into the body, and finally everyone, every stakeholder can watching and believe the truth of ship in Kepayang Hill. So after the proving process about discovery ship in Kepayang Hill, the next step forward that must to be done is to making exploitation process. What is the exploitation process? The exploitation process is process to have the purpose to making maximum benefit from discovery ship in Kepayang Hill. In this process, there is some step that must to be done. First step, we must setting the land in the area to become Eco Park International Tourism Area. In this step, we must setting the relief and the landscape to become inland with Eco Park System International. And the second step in this process is to build the best infrastructure in those area. In this process, we must build office, we must build dormitory for worker, we must build parking area, we must build shipping house to shipping all artifact and treasures that stayed in the body of ship. And step 3 is the excavation process. Excavation process is to removing all the material that buried body of ship to remove to the other area in the other place near discovery ship in Kepayang Hill. The fourth step in exploitation process is to making the tunnel system. This tunnel have a function as drainage system. With drainage system, all the flood water can transfer into the sea during the rainy day. The fifth step of exploitation process is cut and fill process. In this process, all the material pyroclastic that was to be removed from body of ship, after that, the material pyroclastic fill it into the jaws that located at the east side in ship Kepayang Hill. And after the jaws become complete at the location, we will using as a parking area, and we will build gate area. The cost budget that we need to completing all the exploration process, we spend about $150 million. The next step forward about discovery ship in Kepayang Hill is to creating this location to become international eco park and to become international tourism area. So, to create the discovery ship in Kepayang Hill to become international eco park and international tourism area, we will provide this area with hotel, with museum, with parking area, with Krakatau Center building, with restaurant, with a marketplace, and hotel on the top of Kepayang Hill, and also we will build a tropical fruit forest and small lake in the one area that integrated to become the international eco park Kepayang Hill. So this time we invite you and we offering you to making elaboration and making deal business with the purpose to becoming this discovery ship in Kepayang Hill to becoming reality. So thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.